right, so out here with Doug, we're going up to check out a little petroglyph panel up here. Let's see how far we get. The hip recovery is going on, but I'm really digging this. Doug has shown me a couple new panels lately, and this one is, well, we'll just say it's a secret spot, all right? But it's gonna be up there, and that's slick rock, all right? So we're gonna have a little fun, all right? Stay tuned. So on this little walkabout, this is my first kind of, let's call it a driving leg day with my hip. First time I'm really using it to drive upward. I'm doing a lot of level hikes, you know, for a few weeks now. But first day trying to drive up. And you rise off the desert floor pretty fast here. And we're gonna get up there to where the panel is. The dogs are doing really well with the four-wheel drive, let me tell you that. Yeah, I tried to do this trail just a month ago, but my leg was having nothing to do with it. The new hip, though, feels pretty good. I will say that. Oh, boys, I am out of shape. Oh, wow. Ooh, see a panel? Right there. Remember, right there. Hello, Shelby. How are you? What's up, Bobo? I won't be climbing up there, but send the drone up, get a couple pics, probably some more around this way. So walk around here once, see if there's any more panels down this way, and send the drone up and get some pictures of this little panel right up there. Here we are in a really nice Granary and Kiva, it almost looks like. Anasazi, probably. Correct, Doug? What did you say? Anasazi? Hey, Bo. Good boys, good pups. Good pups. Definitely something ceremonial, I'm thinking here. Circular alcove, circular pit. Another just beautiful alcove. Guardians here. Nice little shells.
There's some old guardian.
Old guardian right here for sure.
Even right there is another guardian.
Oh, very old and faded, but yes, Doug, indeed.
Old guardian right there. The red spots are probably like part of a headdress or
Earrings, yep. Because you can see start of a face, they never finished it.
And
But wow, that one there,
that guardian.
that's something else, isn't it? Just check out the view that they had outside of this granary in the Kiva. Looking out into the desert. Some great springs near here as well. It's all about perspective. They need the springs because the animals need the springs for hunting, for planting. Because these kivas and granaries, they are for keeping exactly that, grain. So really something spectacular here. Wow, what a beautiful panel. This is truly something else.
Calf has already been born.
Oh yes.
There's the mouth.
Uh-huh.
Comes down into the stomach. Goes through the little organs, intestines, and there's the little calf.
Yep.
Born.
Yep, and there it is underneath on 4 legs.
And that,
Another calf.
it does.
Walking off.
It
1,
does
2,
look
3.
like
Yep.
another calf.
Yep. Because look at the one directly underneath.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
right
a
there.
little calf too.
And
huh?
it matches the one in front.
Oh.
Wow, look at this down here.
Yeah, that's neat.
That is really neat. Something very old over here too. See how that is pecked in straight in front of me here? See this?
Oh, that
is way old.
That is old. The black peckings have almost turned white.
These baskets are phenomenal.
Here's the basket right here.
Yep. With the big reeds coming off the top.
Yeah. And there's
Two-headed
two
sheep.
more baskets.
See the two-headed sheep? Two-headed sheep right here. Facing in both directions.
I didn't see that one.
Facing in both directions. All the baskets within baskets. Big old water sign. And that guy going through there. Just one big panel. Very cool. Definitely different artists, different styles. Much more of a pecking going on over here. This one's really cool. Barely discernible. So old. This one here. They literally show up better on the video than they do to the naked eye. It's because I'm kind of manipulating the white balance a little bit, but it works to my advantage. Sorry, I just noticed as we were climbing out here, but if you look as you step into this little Kiva, that's a matade. They use it as the front step, but it is right there, and it is deep. But this Kiva and greenery, just really cool. Oh, come on over here. Watch out, buddy. And all this rock work and stonework that they did, and then right here, the entrance. It's a matade. And look at how deep that is. It's crazy. Really amazing. Really neat how deep that groove is on it. So you can see if you start back here. We're back here in the shade, able to look out into the desert floor. I can see for miles any migratory beasts, if you will, going through. But yeah, pretty neat stuff. Really do dig it, that's for sure. But stay tuned for the next little roundabout. And I will say my hip really did well. I was very excited about that. I do love these guardians up here. You can see a few of them right down there. Say hi, Doug. All right, let's get her together. Get on down the hill. Going down can always be a little more difficult, at least on the knees. Let's see how the hip takes it. Taking it slow, taking it easy. Road of least resistance. But let's hope there's a little resistance and I don't slip and slide all the way down. Definitely not quite as stable as usual, but I feel like I've made so much progress now. I mean, coming down this kind of slope, and honestly, the hip's feeling really, really good. We'll see when I get home tonight, right? But doing pretty well. Temperature is perfect out here in southern Utah right now. Quite fun. Hike number, I don't know, 3 or 4. But thanks, Doug, taking me out here.
You know what? This is the most beautiful panel.
Love it.
It's got everything.
It really does.
Now it's got a matate.
Yeah, a matate for a front doorstep.
A front doorstep for matate.
And we didn't put it there. It was there before us. But I just thought it was neat.
Yeah, this is a neat panel. Because it's got everything. It's got petroglyphs, pictographs, it's ancient.
It's ancient. It's got a Kiva. It's got a Granary.
Yeah, it's got like a little